After a long day of painting, the last thing you want to do is take the time to clean paintbrushes, but it's important to, and here's why. Good paintbrushes cost quite a bit of money, and if you take care of them, they'll last you a lifetime. So after rinsing out the paint, it's important to use a brush comb. That's this little tool that you can get at any paint or hardware store, and you use it to straighten out the bristles. They go all around the brush. The reason you do this is to straighten out the bristles, so if they dry all crossed and twisted up, then they'll never straighten out and they won't apply the paint very well. Now you can use a wire brush, but the reason I don't like to use a wire brush, if you look closely, no matter how hard you push, the wire bristles never go through all the way through the paintbrush. But with a brush comb, you can see they stick through easily. This way you can get all the bristles straightened out. Okay, so once the bristles are straight like that, you want to wrap it up in some paper. This is just some craft paper, but you can use a grocery sack as well. Fold it over and tape it or put a rubber band around it. If you put the rubber band, make sure to keep it down at the base because you don't want to deform the brushes. Then here's another key tip. At the end of the next day, before you move on to anything else, take the paper off and discard it. Straighten out the bristles one more time with the brush comb, then wrap it up in dry paper. This way you know the bristles are not only straight and clean, but dry.